people, and welcome back to the show of TWA. And well, you know, I used to be obsessed with Minecraft. I actually used to be obsessed with it. I loved it. Everything I did in life was to do with Minecraft. And I even did a YouTube video, the Minecraft minifigures I had. And it's very old. It was like when I was 8 and I'm 9 now, so that was a year ago. So yeah, if you haven't not seen that video yet, you better watch it because I'm giving you the link. The link is here. So yeah, please watch that video and then come back to watch this one because it'll make me really happy. And well, I've got something awesome to share with you because I went shopping and I stumbled, whatever this thing is, across this Minecraft The Ultimate Construction Guide. I think that's what it was called. And well, I thought I'd share it with you guys because it looks really cool and it's a cardboard box that is very heavy. So it's got me intrigued. So let's show you guys this, whatever it's meant to be. So here it is. It's very big and heavy. As you can see, it's very big, so it must be heavy. And if you open this, wait, that's the right way around. It's packaged wrong way around. Wow. Alright, so anyways, I don't really care. It almost fell. Okay, so we got 1, 2, 3 books. 3 books. This is very good. And oh, so you've got the official Mojang logo on it. So it's OG Mojang. And well, here we've got like a guide to creative theory. I think that's going to show you the colours that look good with them and with other colours and stuff. So let's click this. Yeah, I was right. See, I know these things, guys. Sit on my chair, please. Alright, so then we've got Creative Builds Guide. Oh, and there's a villa in there, so hopefully it shows us how to build that. Does it? Oh, so it shows some interior on like an airship, which is cool. Oh, and there's the villa. Oh, it shows you how to build it. Look at that. Look at that. Precise, guys. And then if you put that there. And oh, this looks sick. Minecraft Medieval Castle. I love building castles, but no offense, guys. No offense, Adam. I'm really bad at them. You guys are probably better than me. But anyways, here it is. Apparently, wait. Yeah, it's an exploded build. Oh, so it shows it there, and then it shows you exactly how to build it there. I like that. So, get off my chair. Get off. Get off my chair. I am gonna basically, as soon as I finish this video, I'm gonna get these, bring them downstairs, open up my Xbox, and use these books for a lot of things in life. And you should definitely buy that. I think it was like in between, like it's not too expensive, it's not too cheap, so I'd say around about £5. Yeah, £5, I think. Yeah, I think that's right. I'm not sure. Sorry, guys. I have the memory of a goldfish. So yeah, other than that, stay safe, game safe, do everything safe. Press the like button, subscribe, and press the bell so you don't miss out on any future videos. And so that you stay tuned, like a ukulele. And yeah, peace out.